Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix Sketchbook app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Sketchbook. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.